Okay, let's jump right in. In any high-stakes industry, right, think finance, legal, consulting, you've got these incredibly powerful back-end systems. Your ERPs, your CRMs, they're basically the engines running your entire operation. But here's the central challenge, the one that's always been there. How do you connect all that power to the front lines? How do you deliver one single seamless client experience? And that's a really critical question to ask yourself. Just for a second, think about your own organization. Does your sales platform actually talk to your project management system? Does your client service data ever make it over to the marketing team? Or is everything just operating in its own little world, creating these frustrating information silos for your team and, even more importantly, for your clients? You know, this disconnect actually has a name. It's called the enterprise engagement gap. It's that frustrating chasm between what all your powerful systems know and what your client actually experiences. This is where things get messy. It's where operational friction happens, or communication gets fragmented, and your brand voice just becomes inconsistent. So the crucial question is, how do we bridge this gap? Well, this is where the source material introduces a solution called AImara. And what's interesting is it's not positioned as just another tool or another app to add to the pile. Instead, they frame it as an entirely new category of software. It's meant to be an essential layer of your infrastructure, a company's brand operating system. Now, that phrase, brand operating system, is really powerful. So what does it mean? It's a system that uses AI agents and automation to unify pretty much everything: how you talk to clients, how you operate internally, how you use your data. It's really designed to be the central nervous system for your brand, making sure every single interaction is intelligent, consistent, and perfectly on brand. This right here, this gets to the core promise. It's all about taking that internal complexity, all the messy behind-the-scenes stuff, and translating it into a single, cohesive experience for the client. The idea is that your client never feels the seams of your organization. They just feel the strength of your brand. So that's the what. It sounds great. But how does AImara actually achieve this unification? According to the source, the whole system is built on 4 key technological pillars. Let's break these down real quick. First, you've got AI agents handling the client lifecycle autonomously. Think automated onboarding, follow-ups, routine check-ins, that kind of thing. Second, the system integrates in real time with your existing ERP and CRM, so it's always working with the most up-to-date information. Third, and this is huge, it creates a unified engagement layer. That means every client interaction, whether it's an email, a call, or a message, all happens on one secure branded platform. And finally, there's the AI intelligence layer, which analyzes all this data to suggest the best next step, turning your information from just a static record into a powerful strategic tool. Okay, the technology is obviously impressive, but let's be real. Why does this actually matter from a business perspective? Let's shift focus to the strategic impact, because this is where the true value is for any firm looking to get a serious competitive edge. So here are the big takeaways. You're finally eliminating those internal silos we talked about. You're preventing huge compliance risks by stopping those off-channel chats. You're boosting productivity with AI-powered automation. And, maybe most importantly, you are finally turning all that back-end data you collect into real, tangible value for your clients. And of course, that enhances your brand and the quality of your service across the board. I love a good before and after, and this slide just crystallizes the whole transformation. You move from a state of fragmented messaging, scary compliance risks, and static data over to a state of total brand consistency, complete control over communications, strategic intelligence, and a truly unified experience for everyone. It's a fundamental shift from being reactive to being proactive. And all this leads us to the final and maybe most crucial point. The source material argues that we should think about this technology not as some kind of add-on, but as a brand new piece of core infrastructure. The whole idea is to move beyond just integrating systems and to move toward truly intelligent engagement. The message here is really clear and bold. AImara isn't just another tool, it's core infrastructure. And for industries where every single interaction matters, where precision, trust, and confidentiality are absolutely non-negotiable, this layer of intelligent orchestration is becoming essential. So we'll leave you with this question to think about. Look at your own organization and how your teams communicate and how your clients perceive you. Is your brand's engagement truly intelligent, or is there still a gap between all the power you have on the inside and the experience you actually deliver on the outside?